Hello there and welcome back. So today Zoe and I decided to decorate the tree and we're taking you along with us. Majority of the ornaments on the tree have been handmade, and we try to make a new ornament each year to add to our collection. And then of course there's always some ornaments that we pick up or pre-bought, like this adorable little deer that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this year. We also have a handful of vintage ornaments which I have thrifted over the years. We try to keep to a color palette of white and silver, and we love how everything sparkles. Zoe requested using tinsel this year, which we haven't ever done before, and it is really fun to add that little extra sparkle. But for me, getting out my homemade vintage inspired ornaments is so much fun. I have a tutorial on these Tart Tin Ornaments as well as these ornaments which I made just last year, and I will link both of those videos down in the description box. One item that we added this year was a train track and village below the Christmas tree. We've actually had this packed away for the last 5-6 years and haven't used it at all, but this year the girls insisted that we needed to get it out, so Zoe lovingly put everything together and placed everything just where she wanted it, and it is so much fun. There's plans to make it bigger and grander for future years, but for this year, it is absolutely perfect just the way it is. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to check out the description box for links to videos I mentioned earlier, as well as my 2020 Christmas playlist. As always, I would love to hear from you down in the comments, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye now.